Done.
Thank you.
Oh, 5 times 5. How would you get different things?
You got it
I
too.
have to
Good.
show your work.
You have to show me some type of strategy that you used.
Oh. I just counted on my fingers.
Okay.
5, 10, blah, blah, blah. I just counted by 5. Actually, I already know the answers. Me too. You don't even have to count, you just go. Okay, I'm ready. Group name.
Okay.
Because you know that 5
Finish?
times 2.
Great.
5 times 2
Who can
equals.
tell me what the important information is in this problem? Yasmin?
How many Shopkins?
Okay, that's the question we're answering. How many Shopkins does Nicole have? And what's my other important information? Kaylee? Yasmin told me the question that they're answering. So what's
5
the...
and 3.
5 and 3. Good. Okay, and then what should I do, Nicole? How did you solve the problem?
I drew 3 circles and
Okay,
5 in each.
You drew 3 circles. Why did you draw 3?
Because this is 3 times as many.
3 times as many, yeah, and then you put 5 in each. Good. And what would my equation be?
5 times
Or when I look at this one, would it be 5 times 3 or
3 times
3 times 5, which equals
15.
But that's not my answer. It's 15 what?
Shopkins.
Shopkins.
Everyone labeled.
Everyone labeled, and after I label, what do I do?
Circle. Getting a circle?
No.
I did.
Okay.
I did.
Awesome. Good job.
I still have it from yesterday. Can you see mine?
Kaylee, can you read
Oh
what
my
we're doing
God.
today? What are we doing today, Kaylee?
Upstairs will be able to
Yeah.
solve multiplication word problems.
Multiplication word problem.
No, it does. It just takes a few
Let's
days.
brainstorm for a minute. What are a couple ways that we
just
could
need bleach.
solve a multiplication word problem?
Huh?
We're going to
We need
brainstorm some ways that we can solve multiplication word problems. How can we solve them?
Look for important information. Yeah. This is kind of like a pencil.
So first you want to
And it's a pen.
underline the important information.
What? You right? Oh yeah, and the emoji is an eraser. Yeah.
Yasmin. Oh, thank you. What's another way that we can solve a multiplication word problem? Nicole said you have to underline the important information. What else do you need to do?
Read it twice.
Oh, hold on. I'm asking Yasmin, and then you can tell me.
Oh, sure.
That's something else
Can
that
I
you
use
can
this?
do.
Oh. We use the cups. No, give me. No, just Daddy or she wrote it. Abby had one. She wrote it in my skin, and it did not get off. I still have it.
You got an idea? What's one way? What can help us to solve?
Write an equation.
Good. Write an equation.
What picture?
Draw a picture. Yeah.
Slash picture. I have another one.
What?
Circle your answer.
Circle your answer. That's going to go way down the bottom. Circle. And what else do you need to do? It's not just circle your answer.
Label.
And label your answer.
Circle your answer. Why is it all the way down there?
Because there's a couple more things that we can do.
Oh.
Besides draw a picture. What else can we do besides drawing a picture to find the answer?
Count.
Okay, we can count
On
or
your fingers. Or you can do times something, whatever.
count, you can use your multiplication packs. Count.
Did we need breakfast or? Yes, we did.
No.
Did it? I want to get some.
Okay, there's one more that I'm thinking of that you guys spent a lot of time on in class. You draw a picture and you make some boxes.
Area model.
An area model or an array, right?
Is it time for breakfast?
So, yeah, I need to look at it. Okay, we're gonna watch this quick video. So Nicole, you need to turn around. I'm gonna turn your chair just a little bit. This should be something that you guys already know, but it's just gonna show us a way of solving a
I can't
multiplication word
see.
problem. So why don't you move a little bit this way? Now, can you see?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Solve the problem.
Toby is a farmer. He plants 12 rows of carrots in a field. Each row has 6 carrots. How many carrots in the field? So let's try to visualize this thing. So they tell us each row has 6 carrots. Let's try to visualize more. So that's 1 carrot, that's 2 carrots, that's 3 carrots, that's 4 carrots.
So what strategy is he using? Can you tell me what kind of strategy he's using? Yeah, he's drawing a picture. Easier to visualize sometimes.
Is that the guy we're watching the
That's 1 row of
Sometimes you're
carrots.
watching
Tells each row has 6 carrots. Now, there are 12 of these.
Uh-oh.
12 rows of carrots.
12 rows of carrots.
Paste. So that's 2 rows.
So how many rows of carrots does he need?
12.
12.
Rows.
It's a lot.
That's 3 rows. That's 4 rows. This is 5 rows. This is 6 rows. Actually, I can just copy and paste the whole thing. This is 6 rows. And you just need to double that to 12 rows.
So how is he counting wrong? What is he doing that's wrong?
Because he's saying like it's 6 rows.
So what he's doing to make it faster, because he doesn't want to draw all 12 rows out, because that would take a really long time, right?
And you just gave us
So what do you
did?
know about 6 plus 6?
I saw what he did.
What did he do?
6 is 12.
He did 6 rows, then he stopped, and then he made like this huge square, and then he copied the other huge square because those are 6 rows, because 6 plus 6 equals 12.
Yeah, because then it would be a lot faster, right? Because he knows 6 plus 6 is double equals 12. Yeah. So he's making it faster for himself.
12 rows right here. Let's number this. So they tell us each row has 6 carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They tell us there's a total of 12 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What does this also look like when you look at it like this?
Array.
It looks like an array, exactly. So an array and a drawing can look very similar.
12. How many carrots? We could do this exercise and try to count all of these carrots. That seems a little crazy. These are already a lot of carrots, especially if these were larger. Remember, to count them, luckily for us, we have multiplication as a tool at our we have multiplication as a tool that we can use. So if you have 12 rows, and each of those rows have 6, this is really 12 and 6.
Oh, so what's he writing over here? What's this?
12 times
12 times 6, which is the
6. Equation.
You have 6 carrots. So you could say you have 6 carrots 12 times. So if you 12 times 6, you remember your multiplication tables up to 12. You'll remember 12 times 6 is 72. So he has 72.
And what did he do at the end?
Even if you only
He labeled. So, that's it. That's all I need to talk about. Yes?
Oh, wow.
Yes.
He
Yes.
labeled, but he forgot his circle.
You forgot to circle his answer, right? Not everyone does that, but it's a good practice to have. Okay.
Well, at least
So what
you
we're
can circle
three-
your answer.
You should circle your answer, so then someone knows what the actual answer is that you're trying to do. Because sometimes when you do a problem, it might have more than one answer, so you might need to circle more than one answer. Okay. So what were the 3 ways that we talked about that we could answer the problem?
An area model.
Area model, or an array, yep. What else?
Equation.
Well, first we need an
Okay.
equation.
Okay, important.
Okay, so we underline the important
Underline
information,
important
we
information.
read it, Then we make an equation, and then what can we do to solve the problem? We can draw a picture, we can make an array, or we can use our multiplication facts, or repeated addition, which is sometimes what Yasmin likes to do, and then we write our solution. We write our answer. Okay, so let's look at this problem up here. Danielle ate 7 Skittles. Tess ate 4 times as many Skittles. How many Skittles did Tess eat?
That's times because he said times.
Nicole, what's my important information?
Tess has 4 times as many Skittles.
Okay, that's one important information. Kaylee, another piece of important information?
7 Skittles.
7 Skittles. And the last piece of important information? Yasmin?
How many Skittles cried?
How many Skittles does Tess eat? Who can tell me what the equation's going to be?
That doesn't look like it's that looks like a C.
Sorry.
I got it.
Okay. Who can tell me what the equation would be? Kaylee.
7 times 4
7 times 4
equals X.
equals X. Yes, of my variable. Yep, it can be any letter. Okay.
It can
First,
be a
how could I
squiggly.
make a drawing of this? What could I do? I can put tape on it after. Okay. Nicole, how could I make a drawing of this? What could I draw?
An array.
Well, we're going to make an array here, so what could I make as a drawing?
7 circles.
Okay, I can make 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then what do I do?
Put 4 inside.
How can I draw an array? Kaylee?
7 on the side and 7 like across the top.
So 7 here and 7 on the top?
I mean 4 on the top.
Oh, 4 on the top. Good. And then what will go on this side?
7.
And what will go on the bottom?
4.
Okay. What could I do to find my answer either using my multiplication facts or repeated addition?
Why is it a C?
I call it computation.
Oh.
7 plus 4, is that going to get me my answer?
No.
7 plus 7 plus
Okay, I could do 7
Plus
plus 7
equals 14.
equals 14.
4 plus 4 equals 8.
4 plus 4 equals 8. Is that going to help me?
No?
No. Remember, it all has to be the same number. So if I'm going to do repeated addition, how many 7s would I need?
4.
4 7s. So it would be 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus
14.
7.
Equals 28.
So I could do 7 plus 7 equals 14. And what is this 7 plus
14
7?
plus 14.
And then 14. And then I could have 14 plus 14.
Will equal 28.
So what do I know the solution is? I can say 7 times 4 equals 28 what?
Skittles.
Skittles. And then what do I do to my answer?
Circle.
Okay. Okay, I want to make sure that you guys get enough time to try it on your own. Let's read it together.
Oh, it was here.
Okay. David has 12 dice. Andrew has 3 times as many dice. How many dice does Andrew have? What is my important information?
12 dice.
Okay, 12 dice. What else? Kaylee, what's another piece of important information?
3 times as many.
3 times as many. And what is my question, Yasmin? Yasmin, what's my question?
How many days does
Andrew
have?
Okay. Now I want you to use the 5 boxes that I have down below to show your answer.
Do we start with the equation?
Yep, start with the equation and then try the 3 different methods. And then we'll do it together.
Why are you putting that in quick? Ow! What kicked me?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Yeah,
That was Kaylee.
Yasmin, focus on what you're doing. How are you gonna draw a picture?
I don't know.
How can you draw a picture of that? You have the right equation, so how can you do it? Remember, computation is either your multiplication facts or your repeated addition. Remember on our other one we used 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7? So what could you use? Of course you can. It's a great strategy. But I do want to ask you, you have 12 plus 12 equals, but you only have one more 12. But it takes 2 12s to make 24. So do we have 2 more 12s to make another 24? So what should we add to 24? Yes.
Finished.
Okay. So the first thing I want Nicole to do is go up and write the equation for us. Write it in orange.
Something is wrong with me. Where's the eraser?
After, can I do it?
Yep, you're gonna do the array.
Should I read it?
No, but you should write a variable, which is any letter, right?
And
Oh, a D. Okay.
for dice.
Kaylee, I would like you to go make the drawing.
This. Oh yeah. We missed that yet. Do it again.
And then you're going to do the array.
Okay.
Good job, Kaylee. Okay, your turn. The array. Nicole, I liked how you did your computation, so I want you to do that. Watch what Nicole did. Nicole did something a little differently than what you did.
And then you do the answer.
Do you want me to do the answer? I can do the answer. That works.
Because everyone gets one turn.
Nicole got 2 turns.
Good job. Okay. What did Nicole do differently than you did, Yasmin?
But she did something different because she did like 1, 2, so
Yeah.
and I didn't do that. I just
What did you do?
I just did 12 times 12
Plus.
plus 12
Plus.
12.
That's how you did it. So she used her multiplication facts, which is just the same thing, but you used your addition facts. You can find them the same way, it's just a different way of doing it. Okay, and then what's my solution or my answer? Alright, 12 times 3 equals
36.
36
Dice.
Dice.
And circle your answer.
Okay, I'm gonna.
What
I
happened?
got 8. I got confused.
Why? What happened?
40. I was thinking about the other problem.
You got confused with the other
So that's
problem?
48.
You know what happened? You did the same thing. Oh my goodness, Yasmin, I got stuck to you. You did the same thing that Yasmin did. You went like this. You did 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. You had 4 12s instead of 3 12s. This one says strategy on it.
What does that
So strategy means you're either going to make a drawing, an array, or the computation to find the answer. That is your
Can I-
choice. You need an equation, the strategy you want, and then the answer. Okay? It's your choice which one you want to use. Right? You're reading the problem, and then you're going to write an equation. Use one of the 3 strategies we worked on.
You do why?
Yep, of course you can. It can be any variable.
Which
Yeah, which one do you want? Do you want to make a drawing? Do you want to make an array? Or do you want to use some computation?